Stage for Visual Components combines 3D simulations and real-time 3D conferencing, so you can make better decisions and improve communication with customers, partners, and teams from anywhere in the world. To start, just invite guests to your Stage account. After receiving your invitation, the guests will be able to log in. Start Visual Components and load your project. To set up the meeting, use the Stage client, open the Visual Components app, add the meeting participants, and start hosting your session. Before the session starts, all meeting participants can choose a personal avatar and select either a desktop PC, laptop, or a VR device to use during the meeting. Once the host has started the session, the participants can start joining. In Stage, you experience your models in real size and can choose an environment that fits your project. The small environment represents small layouts or machines, the open space for large facilities including outdoor elements of any size, or the large environment for factory layouts with dimensions up to 120 meters long and 100 meters wide. Once all the participants have joined the meeting, couple Visual Components and start interacting with the model. The meeting host can play and pause a Visual Component simulation with just one click, and every participant can follow it from its own point of view. Everyone can move freely, talk, and use the pointer to highlight items and impressions to other participants. If you want to show options and improvement potentials during the meeting, the host can work directly in Visual Components. All the changes are shown live in the meeting to all participants. This is a very effective way to directly involve stakeholders and make faster and better decisions. With the measurement tool, you can measure the distance between 2 points. Use the slicing tool to cut objects and see the inner structure at the cutting plane. The bird's view allows each participant to view the layout from above to get a better overview and orientation. You can take pictures with the camera, which will be saved to use after the meeting. Once the hosts end the session, it will automatically end for all participants. After the meeting, the host can remove all participants from the session and is ready for the next session. If you have any further questions on how Stage can help you make better decisions, improve communication with customers, partners, or teams, or just want to start your trial, contact us.